Discover the Carson Micro Bright Plus LED pocket microscope, a compact and lightweight device with a zoom range of 60 to 120 times, perfect for kids and adults alike. Its super bright LED light reveals incredible details on everything from bugs and stamps to skin and fabric. Small enough to carry everywhere, it's ideal for science, learning and exploration. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Discover the BBang 100x 2000x biological microscope kit, perfect for kids, students and adults eager to explore biology and life sciences, with 6 magnification options up to 2000 times, dual LED lighting, precise coarse and fine focus, and included accessories like slides and a phone adapter. It turns anyone into a microscopy pro. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Tomlov DM9 7-inch LCD digital microscope, featuring a stunning 1200x magnification, 1080p HD video, and 12 megapixel photos. Its rotatable HD screen, powerful LED lights, and adjustable metal stand make it perfect for exploring tiny details, repairing circuit boards, or studying insects. Share your discoveries easily with the 32 GB SD card. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Mizumpi 4.3-inch digital USB microscope, perfect for adults and kids aged 14 and up. With a stunning 1000 times magnification, a sharp 1080p LCD screen, and 8 adjustable LED lights, you can explore tiny details of coins, plants, or electronics anytime. Its rechargeable battery lasts up to 5 hours, and you can record videos or capture photos easily. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Andon Star AD46SM HDMI digital microscope, featuring 3 versatile lenses up to 2040 times magnification, a bright 7-inch LCD screen, and stunning UHD 2160p video recording. Perfect for soldering, coin collecting or biological studies. It offers adjustable LED lights, a durable metal stand and easy lens swapping, making micro-world exploration effortless and exciting. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Tomlov P10 2-inch IPS digital microscope, the perfect tool for hobbyists and collectors. With a bright shareable LCD screen, 100x fixed magnification, adjustable white and UV lights, and a 16 megapixel camera, it makes exploring coins, jewelry, plants, and tiny creatures easy and fun. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. The pinned comment. The pinned comment. The pinned comment. Discover the Carson MicroFlip Microsoft, a powerful yet portable tool with 100x to 250x magnification, perfect for exploring microorganisms, biological specimens, or everyday objects. With high-resolution images, LED and UV lights, and a smartphone digiscoping clip, you can easily capture and share your discoveries. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment.